Hey, what's up? It's Faisal here and welcome back to Driving Site, where I bring you updates and tips on road safety awareness every week, just like this one. Do you have a speed limiter fitted in your vehicle? Have you used one? And what do you think about speed limiters? Please comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on the future content. Are you aware about the new vehicles from 2022 in Europe will have intelligent speed limiters fitted as mandatory from 2022. So what is a speed limiters? Speed limiters prevents drivers going from above the set speed limit. Unlike the cruise control where you set the speed limit and it maintains at that speed. So on the dual carriageway or motorways, if you set your speed limit at 70 miles per hour, it's just going to stay at that speed and it just maintains. But speed limiters, basically you set your speed limit, which is good in urban areas, in built up areas. So for example, if it's 30 miles per hour, you set your speed limit at 30, and what you do is you drive normally within that speed limit. So when you're trying to cross over 30 miles per hour, it will just restrict you there. However, you can override it, you can reset it, or just give it a kickstart and you can come out of that. So that's just an option at the moment now, but from 2022, European Union is thinking of making it mandatory for all vehicles, all new vehicles basically. So speed, remember, speed is one of the biggest killer on the roads. Out of all the fatalities, quarter of them is related to speed. And that's why European Union have made the plans to bring in the new technology, which is intelligent speed assistance. So that's what's going to be fitted in our vehicle. Some cars already have the speed intelligent assistance fitted in. Ford S-Max was one of the first one to have it, and so many other car manufacturers have already got it. They've started joining them. And this system is likely to be as a default setting, so when you start your engine it's going to be activated. However, the driver can always override the system. So what is the intelligent speed assistance really going to do for the driver? Well, basically it's going to work with GPS combined with digital speed limit map of the speed limit. So basically what it's going to do is keep the vehicle to the posted speed limit. So for example, now if you're going into a new speed limit, you the driver have to observe the signs and adjust your speed limit. But this new intelligent speed assistance will recognize the new speed limit for you, and it will adjust the speed limit and keep you within that posted speed limit. And that's what's going to happen from 2022. Have you already used it? If you have, please comment down below. If you haven't, what do you think about this concept? What do you think about this new technology that's coming in our way? So please do comment down below, and if you got some value out of this, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. And until next week, use the road safely. Bye for now.